Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Makeup by Rainbow, and for today's video is going to be very special for me. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a package that I received, which is going to be my first PR package. And this package is a package that I received from Wonder Beauty Cosmetics, and basically the products came in these two boxes, and I'm going to be showing you guys what I received. First of all, I must say I'm very grateful that contacted me in regards to sending me these products, which was so sweet and very kind of them. And as I said, guys, this is my first PR package, and yeah, they basically sent me a few of their goodies, and basically I'm going to be sharing this with you guys. The first thing that I received is a brochure from their company, and this is what it looks like, which is really like amazing because they do still like really awesome stuff for brows, mascara, eyelashes, lips, and face, all over face. So I'm going to be jumping into the products that I received. First things first, they sent me brand new Super Stay eyeliners, which these eyeliners are so like legit, like Super Stay. That's the name for them because they're so like long lasting. So I'm going to be showing you this one, which I received, which is metallic gold, and as it suggests, it is really a gold eyeliner. And then this one, which is metallic rose gold, which is also rose gold. And then I received another one, which is also metallic gold, looks like this. And I also received metallic champagne, which this champagne color is really gorgeous. Award-winning beauty eyebrow products, and these products are pretty amazing. I received the jet black and the brown. They look like this is the jet black and this is the brown, which they're pretty awesome. I already tested out this one, which is the dark one, and this is pretty amazing. This is super long lasting for your eyebrows, but I'm going to be doing a separate video for you guys, which I'm going to be doing a eyebrow tutorial using these products. So another thing that I received is this dual end eyebrow brush, and this brush has been pretty amazing. You guys have probably seen me use it in my videos like 100 times already.
A few moments later.
Okay everybody, so I'm so sorry that this video ended so suddenly, but there was literally a power outage in the middle of me filming this video. However, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a separate video reviewing the products that I got in my PR package, and basically I'm going to be showing you guys the swatches, and I'm going to be telling you guys my thoughts on the product. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye guys.